In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add subtotal rows in a table in Excel. In actuality, we can't add subtotal rows in a table automatically. However, we can convert the table to a normal range and then apply the subtotal feature to add subtotal rows in the range automatically. Select your table and right click, click the table and select the convert to range in the context menu. The Microsoft Excel dialog box will pop out and asks for your reconfirmation. Please click the yes button to go ahead. Then select the specified column uh, you will add subtotals based on. Click the data tab. In the sort and filter group, click the sort A to Z and then click the sort button in the popping out sort warning dialog box. Next, select your table range and in the data tab in the outline section, click the drop down list and select subtotal. In the subtotal dialog box, please select the specified column you will add subtotals based on from the at each change in drop down list. I will select the item column. Next, specify the calculation type from the use function drop down list. I want to sum the cells, so I will select the sum option. Then check columns you will add subtotals to in the add subtotal to box. I will select cells 2020, cells 2021 and cells 2022 and then click the OK button. And now you can see the subtotal rows are added based on the specified column in the selected range. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.